In Verilog, the case statement is used for decision-making. It's similar to an if-else ladder, but much cleaner when you have multiple choices. The first one is basic case. The normal case compares an expression against several options. Only the matching branch executes. This is the example of case. Here, cell decides which input goes to Y. Always use default to avoid latch inference. Second one is case X. Case X is a relaxed version. It treats X and Z as don't care bits, both in the case expression and the case items. This is the example of case X. It is flexible, but risky in simulation. If your signal has an unknown, X, case X may still match a branch and hide bugs. And the last one is case Z. Case Z is safer. It only treats Z or question mark as don't cares. Unknown, X, values are still considered, so bugs are not hidden. This is the example of case Z. That's why in RTL coding, case Z is preferred over case X. So to summarize, case use it for strict comparison. Case X it ignores X and Z, use carefully, mostly for test benches. Case Z it ignores only Z or question mark, safer in RTL.